I'm Braden Seitz,
And I'm Elijah Butler.
and we're from Pendleton County, West Virginia.
We're the co-founders of Seitz and Butler Stock Brokerage.
Seitz and Butler Stock Brokerage intends to provide quality financial assistance and management to the masses by educating in investments and fiscal gain, handling the monetary flow of our customers, and assuring updated clientele utilizing our latest innovative systems.
We hope to increase West Virginia's value as a whole and create a system through which West Virginians can increase their own economic portfolio. The opportunities that this will create will jumpstart low-income individuals and be beneficial to everyone as a whole.
West Virginians as a whole often don't have the proper access in enabling their own economic growth. Through our company, we plan on providing the skills and abilities to do so.
I plan on using an aggressive yet consistent and stable day trading strategy, which I've been testing for over 2 years. Here's some data to prove that it is effective. This strategy is relatively simple and gets more complex with more research and more variables factored in. As you can see here, this account was very volatile, especially with the coronavirus recession, but was ultimately very profitable. This strategy involves thorough risk management as well. I simulate all my strategies through paper trading before putting them into direct action. This proves the profitability of my style of trading and shows that it could be very beneficial for day-to-day profits in our company.
I specialize in long-term growth stocks that will provide stability to both our clients and our company. Here's some data to prove that.
Here you can see my general trend over the 2020 year. Beginning in early January, I had an average of around $1,000 on my account, with a slow increase of around 8.6% over a 3-month period. In mid-March, COVID had caused a recession of the global economy. My stocks took a natural plummet until around mid-April, when the economy finally began to heal. In mid-April, my account was worth around $900, but by December, it had increased to around $2,200 at around a 144.4% increase over this period of time. While this isn't as drastic as an increase from a short-term stock, long-term stocks provide a stability and assurance over your account that keeps most market recessions safe from you. Long-term stocks are made up of two key elements, ETFs and bonds. Both are similar in nature and hold the purpose of handing your account a monthly dividend check. ETFs are used on most trading accounts as they are general sectors of the market combined to create an effective block of stocks. Bonds, on the other hand, are debt issued out by companies as a form of security to their own recessions. Using long-term stocks can help people who are either about to head into retirement or people who don't feel safe about stocks as others.
SBSB will provide courses on investing to the public as well as a subscription-based newsletter. Our training program will include paid courses, either in person or online, that can be applied for in multiple ways, and they will cover all aspects of general money management and investing.
As shown here, this is an example of one of our newsletters that we may use in the future. We plan on using the title and description of our person along with a little description of whatever we're discussing about, whether it be short-term stocks, long-term stocks, market investments, recessions, etc. It could be pretty much anything depending on the subject or topic that we're deciding to talk about. We're also willing to show graphs at the bottom or on the sides, as seen here. And we also have an example of our logo on the top to recognize ourselves, and also contacts on the side. Most websites generally don't use this, however, we want to make it easier for customers to connect to us, and for ourselves to connect better with our own employees and staff. Personal investments are very popular with the public. Around 63% of surveys that we've taken said that they would be willing to invest their own money. 31% said that they would not be willing to invest their own money, and 6% said they may be interested in investing. In terms of using a broker, around 62% of our surveys said that they would be willing to use a broker, 13% said that they would not be willing to use a broker, and 25% said that they may be willing to use one. Finally, training and courses. Using our own personal courses, we've taken a survey stating that 71% would be interested in taking our courses, 12% would not be interested in taking our courses, and 17% said they may be interested in taking our courses.
Unfortunately, West Virginia has suffered from an economic crisis within recent years. Many families have gone without jobs, work, or money. And because of this, many families have gone poor or were forced to leave the state due to economic situations. With our company, we believe that we can help the West Virginia people bring back not only their jobs and their families, but also their livelihood and their original houses. Towns across the state that were once littered with coal mines and industries have unfortunately rotted and been abandoned within recent years. With our company, we hope to helpfully reinvest those monies into those peoples, into those groups, and to hopefully build an economic portfolio across our state that will hopefully bring back jobs and people once again.
And here's what you can do to help us kickstart our company. We will need an initial investment of $30,000, and after that we will need to generate a successive $20,000 a year. But that's our part.
And with that being said, help us help the West Virginian people.